Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome in 5th grade math with Mr. Ala. In this video, I'm gonna recovering lost common multiples. And least common multiples are very important in 5th grade math because we will apply the skill to the fraction as soon as we get there. So this skill must be down to be successful in some of the things we will do with fractions. So I highly suggest that you write it with me, but if you want to sit there and watch, this is good for you. Up to you. Make the choice. Let's start with the number 1 here, and we will find LCM between 2 and 3, where you may sometimes see an abbreviation of LCM that means the same thing that represents the LCM. So we need to make a list of multiples for both 2 and 3. And you may think, well, for yourself, what is the multiple? Let's make our list of 3 first, and all the multiples are the number 3 can be multiplied by, and think of 3 multiplication facts. Okay, multiples of the number 3, 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6, or plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 3, 15 plus 3, 18, and so on. Easy way to do this rather than thinking in multiplication fact of 3. Count up 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. The list will go on forever. It's infinite. But there is no reason to keep going in 5 or 6 multiples. Okay? You can stop after 4 or 5 or 6. Then we will write a list of multiples of 2. So again, all numbers in 2 can be multiplied. And the easy way to write the list for the number 2 and count up 2. Okay, 2 times 1 equal 2. 2 times 2 equal 4, plus 2, 6, plus 2, 8, plus 2, 10, plus 2 equal 12. So there are list of multiples that we need to see. If they have any in common, they share any partners here, so you can take a look at both. Both lists they seem to have the number 6 and 12 are common element. If we want to continue this list, we will find more common multiples, but we don't need to find more. When we want to the list in common between them and there is no less than 6, this is our answer. LCM equal 6. Okay, lowest common multiple is equal 6. So a definition of LCM can be formulated as follows. The smallest positive number that is multiple of 2 or more. The smallest positive number that is multiple of 2 or more. For example, the lowest common multiple of 3 and 5 is 15. Because 15 is a multiple of 3 and also multiple of 5, and it's the smallest number like that. 3 and 5 have other common multiples such as 30, 45, and so on, but they are all larger than 50, also called the least common multiple, LCM. Look at the number line showing in the figure. Now we will move on to another way to find the lowest common multiple, which is by using prime factorization. For example, find the LCM of 10 and 15. We know we can list some multiples and find the smallest value common to both numbers. So multiples of 10 are 10, 10 times 1 equal 10, 10 times 2 equal 20, or plus 10, 30, 40, 50. And the multiple of 15 are 15, 15 times 2 equals 30, or plus 15, 45, 60, and so on. Now I'm going to use the same numbers to show how to find LCM using prime factorization. Okay, the answer here is 30. LCM is 30 for this number 10 and 15. And the great thing about this method is it works for any number of any size. First, we do the prime factorization of each of the numbers primes in red and composite numbers in blue. Okay, we will factorize 10, 10 from 2 times 5 and circle prime numbers or prime factors, and 15 from 3 times 5, 3 times 5, and circle prime factors. Next, we make a quick table of the prime factors using columns. We match the like factors, leave space where there is no match. 15 has prime factors 3 and 5. Write them. 3 and 5. Okay, 10 has the prime factors 2 and 5. Okay, 5. We leave space and write 2. Input a line under the prime factors to help my thinking. Finally, we will find the prime factors of LCM. We use one factor from every column, and if there is vertical pair, we only take one of those factors. So the LCM of these numbers is the product of these factors, 2 times 3 times 5. 2 times 5 times 3 equal 30. Good. LCM 2, 10 and 15 is 30. This is the answer. And we know this right because we already found the LCM using the multiple. Now we know the method works. Let's try more tricky pair. Similarly, the example: find the LCM or find the lowest common multiple to the numbers 14 and 49. By the same way, we factorize 14. 14 from 2 times 7, and also factorize 49. 49 from 7 times 7. Okay, by the same way, we write the prime factors only in the table. 14 equal 2 times 7, and 49 7 times 7. So LCM is the product of 2 times 7 times 7 equal 98.